Alright guys, so this is going to be a quick video regarding a stuck Panadol screw bottom of your phone. Unfortunately, I'm using my iPhone 5s to record this, so it's not going to be the best kind of quality. And you can see right here, the screw right now is stuck. I've tried every ways online that's been recommended to take it out, such as this, the sticky glue method, super glue method, trying different driver, what else, the rubber band, none of it worked. I'm not too sure what happened, but now you can see the screw is completely fucked. Also, how did I get the screen removed? Well, I found another video online. What some guy did was, he basically just started, using your heat gun, heat it all around the surface. And then you just start prying it open from the top, work your way down. Once you get to the bottom end of this, what you could do is, give me a second here, get your handy little guitar pick, and push it against the holder of where that screw goes in, the thing that holds the screen down, which is, as you can see from here, this thing. Use your guitar pick thing, push against it, and then off the screen it will come. So then, that was my next idea. Well, what can I do about getting the screw in? If I couldn't get it out from the outside, then maybe I can get it out from the inside. Well, I went and bought myself a handy plier. So by clipping it, grabbing a hold of that, torquing it, turning it, still to no avail. Didn't work. So then I had to figure out, okay, well, that's stuck there forever. That's going to be my next move. You're just going to have to put the screen back without one of these holders. You're just going to have to clip it off. Clip that round thing off. Put it back in without it securely tight. That's the unfortunate case if you want to do these things yourself and run into these problems.